giving your prompt. Based on your prompt, the system is orchestrating, doing the planning and do the orchestration between the agents. This is what you can see here. When it's running, you can stop it, resume it. You have full control of the agent's workflow. You can see the internal outcomes of the agents before it is going to the finalization stage. When you get the output of your first prompt request, you will get a report integrated with what you usually ask, like feature comparison map. The thing in this user interface, there is a side panel. It's a context aware of assistance. Want to mention that it's not in real time, because in that case usually consume too many APIs. So if you want to get a context aware assistance, you have to press this button, which is taking all the inputs, what is in the outcome, and give the coach insight what is the insight of the assistance, what questions you can consider. It is usually challenging the outcome of the report or give a different perspective. Give some next steps, suggestion prompts, what can be your next step. And there's a very useful tool set which helps you challenging deeper dive context and give different perspective. Like I selected 5 techniques here, but it can be added more. When you are moving on your discoveries and you want to get some kind of simulation, you press this button. It takes all the inputs and gives some simulation. You can generate a canvas, what I will show to you very shortly. And also you can review what is in the memory, what's output, what usually used by the different agents. So a few words about the agents. Right now there are 5 execution agents. You can even review the personalities. So I'm sharing the prompts here. What is the execution prompt and the personality for all agents. It is give some overview. I structured the multi-agent personalities. You can even upload some files, because I use here the prototype using local storage. There are some 5 file limits. It's 4 megabytes, so it is not, you are not able to upload some books, just simple PDFs, for example, some customer reviews or customer calls and so on, analyze it. In the workflow, the next big step is the canvas. Here, what you discovered in the chat and what you challenged and so on, you can automatically or manually, depends on your demands. You can create different canvas, double diamonds, simple jobs to be done canvas and so on. And in the canvas, there are different sticky notes. It is, you can write it or it can automatically pull out the context of the research. With these notes, you can even prioritize. If you see there is sense, prioritization quite simple, impact effort. You can enhance. The enhance means that is you can use the different agents, what is in the agents builder, different agents personality to enhance, add more context here, analyze further. And when it is done, you can prioritize that ones. You can even get some overview, what you collected with this button. It is generating some summary, what kind of notes collected there. And you can even, in the develop idea section, you can even simulate the outcomes. If, for example, there is a detailed notes about some solution, you can simulate the outcome. The simulation is you can use the 4 agents and you give your simulation objectives. run the simulation, and you can see a detailed analysis of this potential idea. Of course, you can import here some basic, some simple files or text or PDF, or when you save something here. So what is, for example, interesting for you? I mean, the outcome can be a good input. You can simply save it, and in the canvas, you can use it, import it. This one. You can see here the prioritization, what you prioritized, and of course the solution stage. In the next step, later on, you can add your Jira and so on. So that's all very shortly, and I hope you will analyze in your case what is the impact and give some feedback for me. Thank you.